Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to leave a review on VRBO. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Leaving a review on VRBO is a simple process. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your VRBO app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then select trips or my trips from the option. Now under the trip history, find the booking for the property you want to leave a review for. Tap on the property listing or reservation. After clicking on your booking, you should see an option to leave review or write a review. If it's been at least 24 hours since your check out, you can leave an feedback. Now you'll be asked to give a star rating, write a detailed review of your experience, share what you like about the property, the host and overall stay. Be honest and constructive in your feedback. Once you are satisfied with your review, tap on submit to post it. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.